Welcome to my channel. Here the given line y equal to kx is an angle bisector of the lines y equal to 3x, y equal to x. This means that the angle bisector line divides the angle between these 2 points into 2 equal parts. Here our goal is find the value of k. Observe the two lines y equal to 3x and y equal to x. Y equal to 3x, it is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. So that means our slope is 3. Similarly, y equal to x, the slope is 1. Our y equal to kx lies in between y equal to 3x line and y equal to x line. So that's why k value lies in between 3 and 1 and it must be positive. In this video, we will find the value of k by using two methods. Let's consider the angles in between the lines y equal to 3x and y equal to kx as theta 1 and y equal to kx and y equal to x. In between these two lines you consider as theta 2. Our line y equal to kx is a angle of bisector. That means that this line divides the angle between the two lines into two equal parts. That means our two angles should be equal. We can say that theta 1 equal to theta 2. Y equal to 3x line, the slope is 3. So consider this as m1, and y equal to kx, the slope is k. Consider this as m2. Then y equal to x, here the slope is 1. Consider this as m3. Now we have slopes m1, m2, m3 and theta 1 equal to theta 2. That's why we can use tangent formula related to slope. Here we are using tangent formula. So theta 1 equal to theta 2. So we can write it as tan theta 1 equal to tan theta 2. So what is the tangent formula related to slope? That is modulus of m1 minus m2 over 1 plus m1 m2. That is equal to modulus of m2 minus m3 over 1 plus m2 m3. Our m1 value is 3, m2 is k, m3 equal to 1. Substitute these values. So m1 value is 3, m2 is k over 1 plus 3k, that is equal to, when you remove the modulus you will get plus or minus. m2 value is k minus m3 value is 1 by 1 plus 1 times k is k. If you do cross multiplication you will get, so we have plus or minus. First take the positive sign, find out the k value. Later take the negative sign to find the k value. K minus 3k, which gives minus 2k minus 1. When you do both sides divided by 4, you will get k square minus k minus 1 equal to 0. This is an quadratic equation. We can use quadratic formula here. So k equal to, what is the formula? Minus b. So minus of minus 1 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 1 whole square minus 4 times a and c value is minus 1 over 2 times a value is 1. After simplify this, 1 plus root 5 by 2 and another one is 1 minus root 5 by 2. Root 5 is a non-perfect square. What is the trick for the non-perfect square? That is square root of x plus or minus y, that is equal to square root of x plus or minus y by 2 square root of x. That means this 5 we have to convert into one perfect square and another non-perfect square. So root 5 value is 2.25. Adding plus 1 you will get 3.25 over 2, which gives 1.62. Another k value is 1 minus root 5 by 2. So 1 minus 2.25, which gives minus 1.25 over 2. So this is a negative value. Starting what you observe, the k value should be positive and it lies in between the two slopes, that is 3 and 1. So the k value should be in between 3 and 1. But here we are getting negative. So this value we are not considering. So our k value is 1.62. It is in positive sign case. Now we need to check in negative sign case. Plus 3k square minus k square, which gives plus 2k square. Plus 2k minus 2k gets cancelled. And you have plus 3 minus 1, which gives plus 2 equal to 0. K square equal to minus 1. So this is a negative value. This negative case is resetting here. So we have only 1.62. So that is 1 plus root 5 by 2. This is the k value. Now I am going to explain the second method. Let's draw a line from the line y equal to 3x to x-axis at the point 1, 0. This line intersects to the line y equal to 3x. Just name it, the intersecting point is A. And this line intersects y equal to kx line. The intersecting point, name it as B. This line intersects the line y equal to x. Name it the intersecting point, that is C. The line point is 1, 0. That is, it is in x-axis at point 1. On the x-axis y equal to 0. If this point 1, 0, that means the line y equal to x intersects at the point 1, 1, because our x value is 1. If you substitute x value equal to 1 in the equation, then y value also 1. So that's why the C point is 1, 1. Our B point, the line is y equal to kx. So our x value is 1. So if you substitute 1 in this equation, then you will get 1 times k, that is equal to y. Y value is k. Similarly, the point A, the values are 1, 3. And this is the center. Using this center O and A point, we can find the distance of OA using distance formula. Square plus 3 square. So you will get OA distance is root 10. If you find OC, the C point is 1, 1. So you will get square root of 1 square plus 1 square, which is 2. So OC distance is root 2. If you find AB, our A point is 1, 3 and B point is 1, k. Square root of x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus 1, that is 0. So y2 minus y1, that is k minus 3 whole square. So the square and square root gets cancelled. So the AB value is k minus 3. If you find BC, so 1 minus k whole square, the square and square root gets cancelled. You will get 1 minus k only. Just recall the angle bisector theorem. So the theorem says that this OA and OC ratio is equal to AB and BC ratio. These are equal. So our OA value is root 10 and OC value is root 2. That is equal to AB is k minus 3 over BC is 1 minus k. After simplify, you will get, if you do rationalize here with root 5 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1, then you will get over, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. The formula is a square minus b square, that is root 5 square is 5 minus 1 square is 1, so which is 4. You are left with 1 plus root 5 by 2. It gives 1.62. So 1.62 lies in between our slopes 3 and 1. So it satisfied our condition. Hence, we can say that k value is 1 plus root 5 by 2. Both methods yield the same result, k equal to 1 plus root 5 by 2, which is 1.62. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button.